Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, you're going to get to know more about all AI tools and resources that we're going to utilize to create our ad copies, ad images, and also ad videos. As you guys can see here, in total, we have 10 different AI tools that we're going to use. And just to let you know, all of these AI tools are completely free to use. So we're not going to spend money on these AI tools, alright? So the first four AI tools, ChatGPT, Copy AI, WriteSonic, and WriteCream. These four AI tools are intended for Google Ads. Meanwhile, tool number 5, tool number 6, and tool number 7, these three AI tools, Snazzy AI, Creatable, and Magic Brief, these three AI tools are intended for Facebook and Instagram ads. And the last three AI tools, InVideo, Steve AI, and DeepBrain, these three AI tools are intended for YouTube ads and also TikTok ads, alright? So let's begin with ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna click on it, just click on this link, and it will take you here. Right, so I'm pretty sure most of you are already familiar with ChatGPT, but if you're not really familiar with ChatGPT, it's basically an AI chatbot where you can ask any questions and ChatGPT is going to answer your questions with a human-like answer, right? So ChatGPT can be used as your personal AI assistant. It's going to answer any questions that you have, and the response that ChatGPT is going to give you sounds and looks very similar to real human answers, guys, right? So it's completely free to use. Just go to openai.com, right? Just create your account here. It's completely free. You can sign up using your Gmail account and just click on product and then click on ChatGPT, right? Just click on it and it will take you here to this page. And what you want to do next is simply just to click on try on web, alright? Just click on it, click try on web, and then you will be redirected to this page. And as you guys can see, there are like two different models. The first one here is GPT 3.5, and the second one, which is like the latest model, it's GPT-4. But unfortunately, if you are on your free account, you won't be able to access GPT-4, right? So if you want to use GPT-4, then you might need to subscribe to the paid plan. However, I think it's totally fine if you just stick with, your free account. GPT 3.5 is actually not that bad. So, yeah, we're just gonna stick with 3.5 because I'm going to assume that you're not going to, spend money on your OpenAI account, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna close this tab and let's go to the second tool. It's copy.ai, right? So I'm just gonna click on it and then it will take me here. As you guys can read, free ad copy generator. So yeah, our free ad copy generator allows you to create ad copies that get clicked and convert like never before. So guess what? This tool, this AI tool, will enable us to generate ad copy very quickly in less than 10 seconds or even in less than 5 seconds. All you need to do is just to type in the product that you're selling, just describe a little bit about your product and then click generate, and in less than couple seconds this AI is going to automatically generate you the ad copy. Sounds very exciting, right? And it's completely free to use, guys. So just click on pricing, just click on it and it will take you here. As you guys can see, Copy AI has the free plan. Obviously, there are like some limitations when it comes to the free plan. As you guys can read here, you can only have one user sit and you can only generate up to 2,000 words. So if you want to generate more than 2,000 words, then you might want to consider upgrading to the pro plan, which will cost you $49 per month, right? But when it comes to the amount of projects that you can create on a free account, there is no limitations at all. As you guys can read here, unlimited projects. Okay, very cool, right? So let's go back to the homepage. So I'm just gonna click on Copy AI. So we're going to be redirected back to the homepage. And if you click on the use cases, there are 5 main use cases: email marketing, blog content, social media posts, AI translations, and Teams, right? So these are the main use cases for Copy AI. Okay, so that's the second tool that we're going to utilize to create our ad copy. Okay, I'm just gonna close this and let's move on to the third tool. It's called writesonic.com. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on that link and it will take me here to this page. As you guys can rate Google Ads generator, create conversions worthy and high quality Google Ads with a click. Okay, so the concept is very similar to Copy AI, right? So all we need to do is just to type in the name of our product. Just let the AI know what product that we're selling, and maybe just tell a little bit about our product descriptions. That's it, and then click generate. And in less than 1 minute or even less than 10 seconds, AI is going to automatically generate you the ad copy for Google Ads. Sounds very exciting, right? And it is totally free. So if you click on pricing, right, just scroll down a little bit. As you guys can see, right, Sonic offers the free trial, and the models that is going to be used for the free trial account is GPT 3.5. So it's the same exact model that we use on chatgpt, right? And obviously there are like some limitations when it comes to the free account. As you guys can read here, you can only generate up to 10,000 words per month. However, if you want to generate more than 10,000 words per month, you might want to consider upgrading your subscriptions to the unlimited plan, which will cost you $16 per month, alright? And there's another thing that I want to highlight. On the free account, you'll get more than 100 AI templates. These are fully customizable AI templates that you guys can use and customize it based on your need, guys, which is very cool, right? And there are more than 25 languages are supported on Writesonic. Okay, so if you scroll back up, let's go back to the home page. If you click on features, all right, just click on it. I'm going to show you like all features available on Writesonic, guys, right? Okay, apparently it's still loading, so let's wait. Okay, as you guys can see, there are 9 main features. Our AI article block writer, paraphrasing tool, text expander, article summarizer, product descriptions, Facebook ads, Google ads, landing pages, article news ideas. All right, so in this course, we're going to utilize this particular feature, Google Ads, right? So just click on it. I will take you to this page. So yeah, we're going to utilize Writesonic to generate us the ad copy for Google ad campaign, alright? Okay, so I'm gonna close this and let's move on to the tool number 4. It's called Write Cream. I'm just gonna click on it and then it will take me to this page. The way it works is extremely similar to the previous tools like Copy AI and Writesonic. So all you need to do is just to type in the name of your product, what you're selling, and also a little bit descriptions of your product, and that's it. Click generate, and the AI is going to automatically generate you the ad copy for your Google ad campaigns, guys. So if you scroll down, I'm going to show you like the process, right? So as you guys can read here, generate Google ads for your ad campaigns in these simple steps. So it's only consisted of 4 steps. So the first step is to go to the Google ad copy tool, right? And then the second step is to enter the product or brand name. So we're just going to let AI know what we're selling, what's the name of the product that we're selling, stuff like that. And the third step is to enter the product descriptions, right? Just letting the AI know, okay, so this is the product descriptions. And then finally, chapter 4, just click generate. And then AI is going to generate you the ad copy for that product in less than a minute or maybe in less than 10 seconds, guys. So yeah, it's very quick process. It's very simple process. It's going to save a lot of your time. Okay, so I'm gonna close this and let's go to tool number 5. It's called Snazzy AI. So I'm just gonna click on it. We're going to utilize this for Facebook ads, right? As you guys can read here, create appealing Facebook ads in seconds with the Facebook ad generator. And the good news here is this platform is completely free to use, guys. So if you click on pricing, just click on it. And I'm gonna show you that this platform is actually free, alright? So if you keep scrolling down, as you guys can see, as you guys can read here, it's completely free. Obviously, there are like some limitations when it comes to the free account. You can only create 1 project, and also you can only get up to 40 credits per month, alright? So just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's go back. Let's scroll down a little bit. as you guys can see, creating ad copy using this tool is very simple and very straightforward process, guys. It's only consisted of these 5 steps, right? So create a free smart copy account. So all you need to do is just create the account and then navigate to the template page and then click Facebook ads, and then the sidebar on the right side will show all the brand information you added during account setup. Check to make sure it is all correct and update it as needed. Okay, don't worry guys, you might be very confused. Don't worry, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to do it, alright? So yeah, I'm just going to show you like, actually the process is very straightforward, right? Only consisted of 5 steps. And then step number 4, when everything looks straight, just click the blue create button on the bottom right side, and Smart Copy will make 5 Facebook ad options for you in just few seconds. And step 5, which is the final step, check out your amazing options. Feel free to click create again and use the customized toggle as well if you're not satisfied with the result, alright? So it's very straightforward process, and if you scroll down, these are a couple examples of the ad copies or ad images that you can create using this tool. Okay, so I think that's it. I'm just gonna close this tab and let me show you tool number 6. It's called creatable.com. So I'm just gonna click on that link and it will take me to this page, alright? As you guys can read, graphic designs using generative AI, all-in-one platform for stunning logos, social media posts, ads, magic resize, writing, image background removal, brand kit, multiple brand managements, invoices, and so much more. Okay, so you can create many different type of projects using this tool, guys. However, we're going to focus on just one thing, right? So if you click on filters, okay, so apparently it's still loading. I think it's not ready yet. So as soon as it's ready, I'm going to click on filters, and then I'm going to show you the specific filters that we're going to utilize, alright? So I'm just gonna keep scrolling down until smart ads, and then click on image automations. And as you guys can read here, see your image in all ads, designing your ads without effort with image automations. Select an image for ads campaign, and we will show you all ads templates with your selected image. So when it comes to Facebook ads and Instagram ads, image is very crucial, right? Because the more attractive your image is, the more likely your potential customer is going to click on that ad and then potentially make the purchase, right? So that's the reason why we need to design our ad images to be very attractive, and to accomplish that objective, we're going to utilize this tool, right? So yeah, just gonna close this tab. That's tool number 6. Let's move on to tool number 7. It's called Magic Brief, right? Okay, so as you guys can read, power up your creative workflow, save Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ads, build storyboards, collaborate with your team, and take your ads to the next level. Alright, so let me scroll down really quick and let me show you a couple examples of ad copies and ad images that you can create using this tool. For instance, this one. Very cool, right? And not only that, this platform also provides you with customizable templates that you can edit, you can customize based on your needs, alright? Okay, so that's tool number 7. Let's move on to the next one, tool number 8. It's called invideo.io. So just click on it. As you guys can guess from the name of this website, this tool was created and designed specifically to help us creating video. So if you click on explore and click on video ad maker, so yeah, we can utilize this to create a video ad, right? As you guys can read, skip the pain of complex editing and easily create click-worthy compelling video ads. Choose customize and create your video ad from over 5,000 pre-made ad templates. So can you imagine, like more than 5,000 pre-made ad templates that you can use, that you can customize based on your needs. So let me scroll down really quick and let me show you a couple examples of these pre-made templates that you can use, guys. Look at this, very cool, right? And there's another good news here. If you click on pricing, it's completely free to use, so we're not going to spend money on this platform, alright? It's completely free. And let me close this, and then I'm going to show you one more thing. If you click on template and then click on view all, you're going to be amazing many different templates available here, guys. You can feel free to use and customize all of these templates. But since in this course we're going to be focusing on creating ad videos, so I'm just gonna click on advertisement templates. So yeah, as you guys can see on the left side of the screen, you can even filter the pre-made template based on the category. So we're just gonna click on advertisement template and then click on advertisement templates. Look at this, many different advertisement templates that you can use and customize. Look very cool, right? Okay, so I'm gonna close this and let's move on to the next one, which is tool number 9. It's called steve.ai. So I'm just gonna click on it and it will take us to this page. As you guys can create powerful video ads like a pro with steve.ai. So if you click on use cases, there are like many different use cases here, but we're going to be focusing on video ad maker, right? So if you scroll down here, I'm going to show you how straightforward the process is going to be. So if you keep scrolling down, as you guys can see, it is only consisted of like 5 steps. All right, so the first step that you need to do is to log in, create your account here, and the second step is to upload your script. All right, and the third one here is to choose your favorite template, right? So all of these are pre-made templates that you can feel free to use and customize. And then step number 4 is to customize the look and the feel of your video. And finally, number 5 is just to save and share your ad video, guys. Very cool, right? So yeah, that's tool number 9. Let's move on to tool number 10, which is also our last tool. It's called deepbrain.io. So yeah, just click on this link and it will redirect us to this page, right? So as you guys can read, create generative AI videos with just a script, right? As you guys can see here on the right side, this is just an example of how the video will look like, right? So if you scroll down, if you keep scrolling down, as you guys can see, we have many different AI avatars and also custom avatars that you can use, that you can customize based on your needs. So what we're going to do here is to get our ad copy, and we're going to integrate that ad copy with this avatar. So we're going to create the video of these AI avatars explaining and also advertising our product, right? It sounds very cool, sounds very exciting, right? So yeah, you're going to choose one of these avatars and then give them instructions to do what you want, and in this case we're going to tell them to advertise our product. All right, so yeah, that's what we're going to do using this tool. Look at this, looks very cool, right? This is not real human, guys, right? This is an AI powered avatar, but these AI powered avatars are going to be able to do whatever you want them to do, right? Including advertising your product. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna close this. I think that's all. Those are AI tools that we're going to utilize to create our ad copies, our ad images, and ad videos. So I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.